Paris. Dozens of angry farmers demonstrated on Thursday in front of France's lower house of parliament after driving about 100 tractors into Paris to protest the European Union intention to move forward with a free trade deal with 5 South American nations. French farmers for years have denounced the trade deal with the Mercosur nations of Brazil, Argentina, Bolivia, Paraguay, and Uruguay, arguing that it would hurt French farmers' livelihoods. Thursday's protest was staged by the Rural Coordination Union to put further pressure on France's government, which protesters say has not shown strong enough opposition to the deal. Farmers gathered in front of France's powerful National Assembly under close watch from a large number of police officers.
José Pérez, president of the Rural Coordination in the Lot-et-Garonne region in southwestern France, said, "The goal today is to come to Paris to express our demands, closer to those who have the power. It's a strong symbol," he told the Associated Press.
Farmers' concerns about the Mercosur trade deal are combining with anger about government sanitary measures against the spread of a bovine disease, Pérez stressed. Ludovic Dupuy of the Rural Coordination Branch in Corsica came all the way from the Mediterranean island by boat, tractor, and train to reach Paris. He said he does not think centrist President Emmanuel Macron did enough to prevent the deal from being signed.
"We want President Macron to stand by the side of farmers," he said. "He needs to clearly tell it out loud and to impose it too."
The Rural Coordination, which has links to the far right, said in a statement farmers expect quick, effective decisions to face ongoing challenges. The Interior Ministry said about 20 tractors were in the Paris city center, some at the Arc de Triomphe monument and others in the Eiffel Tower neighborhood, despite a ban issued by authorities. Convoys of tractors bypassed and forced their way, the ministry said. But most of the tractors were blocked further from the center at key traffic arteries that mark Paris's limit. The EU this week renewed internal negotiations over a free trade agreement with 5 South American nations, amid speculation that a deal could be signed in Paraguay on January 12. The deal's supporters, led by Germany, may be able to pass over the objections of France and Poland. French Agriculture Minister Annie Genevard reaffirmed France's opposition to the Mercosur deal on Wednesday, saying it threatens the production of beef, chicken, sugar, ethanol, and honey, among other sectors.